hitting it, ooh, maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know you
guys, it's your girl Kiora Tashay, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So, as you seen from the title, that's probably why y'all clicked on this video. I'm doing a TWA short natural hair quick tutorial for the girls that's got, you know, short hair that's kind of hard to maintain. They don't know how to style it. For me, I feel like I have short hair on the sides and it's longer on the top. It's kind of hard for me because my hair is uneven around, so I really have to make sure that I do my hair or it's not gonna look right.
No.
Like I was saying, and we can start this tutorial for y'all. So first, I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm gonna be using for this video. Argan oil, strength and shine leave-in conditioner. I like to spray this on probably like after I'm done with my hair, when I'm done styling it. Y'all can see. This is a good product. Now, y'all know, this right here is my bread and butter, my peanut butter and jelly, you know what I'm saying? My cookies and cream. Like this right here, everybody, any natural stylist know, everybody use this right here. This is like the go-to eco style gel. Like you gotta have some of this on you. If you ain't got some of this, you're crazy. You gotta have this. So this is what I do. I've been using for my wash and go. I like this because it's easy and it doesn't like shrink my hair that much, and it also doesn't make my hair crunchy. Get what I'm saying? This right here, I can see it. This is my main choice gel. Now this right here too is also my bread and butter. Cause like this, I don't know why, but it's like when I do my wash and goes, my hair just looks great. At the sides, I use this to like lay it down because it's kind of like, it helps my hair kind of like lay down, and then when I put a wrap over it, it pretty much stays. So I love this gel, smells so good. And then for my edges, I've been trying out this new product, the Gorilla Snap. Try that. This right here, it was $3.99. I feel like for this edge control, this gel, it's not that bad for $3.99, and it actually pretty much kind of works. Like you just have to make sure you lay your hair down with a silk scarf or something like that. Water, you gotta use water on your hair to keep your hair hydrated. Like without water on your hair, what can you do? So you gotta have that little, you know, little spritz of water for your hair. Damn! My hair looks a mess, I know. That's why I'm doing this tutorial, so I can show y'all how to get back right. First thing you need to do is go ahead and spritz your hair with some water, okay? Because if you don't, your hair gonna be dehydrated. And it's gonna be harder for you to style your hair if your hair's not damp. I like to kind of like, and don't be stingy with the water. That's another thing. Don't be stingy with the water. Can't be stingy with water, because if you do, your hair not gonna turn out how you want to. You're not gonna be able to gel your hair, your sides how you want to. So please make sure you hydrate your hair, okay? I'm gonna try to skip through majority of this so y'all can see, and we gonna get this thing rolling. is the end of my tutorial. If you guys want any more tutorials or any product reviews or any other videos you guys would like me to do, all you guys gotta do is just comment below on this video. Let me know and I will definitely get back to y'all, okay? So if you haven't already, like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.